Hey, it's your girl Susan Bennett, CEO of The Social Barber, and I want to share with you some more information about how you can get more digital products online, whether you're a barber, hairstylist, makeup artist, nail tech, whatever it is that you do. I want you to be able to make more money online using and selling digital products, okay? So I'm coming through here with a little tip and trick um, for Zoom. Okay, so I've been using Zoom since 2015. This is a must have for my online school and just for my online business. Um, Definitely not a newbie to Zoom. Okay, so basically, what happens here, one of the things that you can do is I always have everything going straight to the cloud. I have it auto record because look, lessons learned the hard way is that I always want to make sure that I can always go back and find my recording so that I can upload it to my online school. Okay. So first things you see, I'm in the recordings here, and what I do, I have several recordings here. So let's say I want to share a link. Let's say I've done some kind of a recording and I want to share a link to my replay, but I don't want to share the whole thing. Okay. All right, so we know sometimes we have these awkward beginnings to our Zoom meetings. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but basically what you can do is you can actually cut off the beginning. So on this beginning of this Zoom, I'm kind of like, hey, can you hear me? Can you hear me? It was more of a one-on-one meeting with somebody. And so there's that awkward silence, that awkward, it's just a little bit of awkwardness going on there. And that's not something, if your meetings do start out that way, that's definitely something you don't want to share. So what you could do is when you're in this screen, you can actually go ahead and click on these little scissors and it will actually tell you that you can set the playback range. So viewers will be able to watch the recording only within the set playback range through the sharing link. This will not affect the original recording. If you enable downloads, viewers will have access to the full-length recording and all relevant files, including audio transcript, chat, and subtitles. Okay? So you say, got it. So basically what you do is you can decide where the video actually starts. Once you're all set with the playback range, hit save. And guess what? Now you can use the shareable link. So you copy the shareable link and now you can cut off that extra part at the beginning, okay? Quick note about recordings in Zoom. I found this out the hard way. You definitely don't want to store your recordings in Zoom for a long period of time because when you go over the storage space, you can get a very large bill. I've gotten it before for the cloud storage space. So this isn't like a good place just to keep sharing the link all the time. And even once you delete your meetings, they will go to the trash. You want to make sure to empty your trash. Okay, you hit this button to say empty trash because even if you've got all your meetings in the trash, you will still get charged for cloud space. Yes, if you do not delete it from the trash. Okay, let me know if you have ever heard of this before, if you've ever had this issue, if you're using Zoom, and what else that you want to know more about. Thank you so much. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, and I will see you on the next video.